tile installation project. We are in West Windsor, New Jersey, and we installed tiles from the foyer, from the entrance, of about 750 square footage, all the way from the foyer to the hallways, into the kitchen. As you see, there's a big tiles, very impressive tile, into the breakfast area. This was probably 8 days project, big project. We needed to level the floor first. We ran into some problem in the first day after removal of the old floor. We had some challenges here. We needed to level the floor first, and then we start the installation. So as you see right now, it's 100% level. We tested. The inspector was here. It was past the inspection, and the tile installed. Also, after completion, obviously, we installed a new base molding. We removed the old one that was with like tiny base molding. Didn't make sense. It was like 2.5 inch. So install a bigger molding just to match the rest of the house wherever they have a wood floor. The grout, they chose white grout in a very thin gap. As you see, the gap between the tiles is very thin. I think it's the thinnest that we could do. And so the tile installation is completed, grout completed, grout application, and base molding was completed yesterday. We already applied the caulking in the gaps between the base molding and the walls. We're going to paint the house in the next probably week. You see, after working with the tiles, you know, things are getting dirty on the wall. So I think it's going to be a good opportunity to clean the house from all the dust and then paint the rest of the house. For now, we're going to start painting, priming, and fixing everything that ceiling, walls, and trims. So this is complete project without the painting. Also, we did the stone installation on the countertop, and also we did the backsplash installation. Beautiful job. The countertop was installed. The backsplash was installed. It's the same stone. All these sections we're installing backsplash. It's beautiful. It's different. The installation is countertop. These 2 rooms, we completed the trim installation, the painting, and the carpet installation on the entire second floor and the stairs. The electrician supposed to come here and install new outlet, new switches, light switch. But as you see here, carpet installed, trim installed, and painting the entire room. The lines are to perfection between the ceiling and walls. Semi-gloss finish on the trims in order to make it washable, cleanable, and the client chose to do flat finish on the wall. The advantage of flat finish that he doesn't show you the imperfection, kind of like hide imperfection. So in the future, if they're going to have nail pops, it's not going to show as much as matte finish or actual finish. So this is like the client, they choose the color and the finish. It's look great, it's look sharp, clean. They didn't move here yet. They probably will move it in the next 2 weeks, but it looks good. We love it. This room also. And in this room, we did an accent wall, dark wall, an accent. I think this is the boys' room. Light color on the wall, semi-gloss on the trim. Very sharp look. It's very rare to see black color as an accent. That's the choice of the client, and they love it. It looks good. And the finish of our painters and trim installers, high quality. All the trims in the house we already painted. At least the second floor is already completed. We applied semi-gloss finish. And the advantage of semi-gloss, first of all, it's make it stand out and it's make it different than the walls, which is these walls are flat finish. So it's really standing out different than the walls. Second advantage, that it's very washable. You literally can touch the door with dirty hands and just take a rag and clean it, especially where the handles, where you open the door. So it's very cleanable finish. The same thing on all the base molding, the doors, the trims. So everywhere in the second floor, we apply the semi-gloss finish. Also the doors, the casing, the base molding. The client asked us to paint just 2 rooms complete. This one and the one behind you. And then the entire trims of the entire house. Also, we applied here semi-transparent stain on the railing. It used to be kind of like beige color, old school. Owners decided to apply semi-transparent stain. It's almost look like solid stain just because it's a very dark, it's almost black color. And they asked us to apply 2 coats. So we sanded the railing, we apply 1 coat of conditioner, 2 coats of stain, and 2 coats of sealer. The stairs project that we did in the last few days, it's not completed 100%. We still have to do some final touch-ups, but these railings used to be kind of like beige color. It's from the 80s style. We sanded the railing, we sanded the post, to a level that is going to be smooth and that the stain will penetrate. And then we apply semi-transparent stain that you can still see the veins. It's very dark, almost black stain, so that's it's still a little bit hard to see the veins. But we apply one coat conditioner, and the reason that we apply conditioner before the stain is to make the surface 100% uniform, that from corner to corner it will show the same. And then after the one coat conditioner application, we apply the 2 coats of stain, we let it dry for 24 hours, and then we apply 2 coats of sealer on top. And the client shows a semi-gloss finish. Maybe it's very hard to see from there, but it's very glossy. You can see it next to the reflection of the light of the window. You can see that it's very glossy, very washable, really stand out. We did the same thing on the spindles. Spindles, we use paint. On the railing and post, we use semi-transparent stain. This is one of the stairwell, and this is the second stairwell. And we did the same thing on the floor itself, on the treads. So as you see here, we did the railing, the post, the spindles, we paint them. And as you see here, we painted also the treads black. On the treads, we apply really like a black color. And then on the risers, white color. So the spindles and the risers are white, the railing and treads, wherever you put your feet while you walk, is black color. And then we did the carpet installation, which is called the runner installation. Looks great. We're almost done here. Some of our clients chose to paint the doors in a darker color. Sometimes we chose gray, brown, black. These clients here in West Windsor, New Jersey, they chose to paint few of the doors black, not everywhere. So we've got, I think, the main door. This is for the master bedroom. It's very unique, very different. It's also semi-gloss finish. You see the reflection. You see the reflection of the light. Very washable, standing out, semi-gloss. Really stand out compared to flat finish on the wall. It's a big difference. This is semi-gloss finish, this is semi-gloss finish, and this is flat finish. Flat finish does have zero washability, you cannot clean it. And this is like extremely cleanable. If it's getting dirty, while we're in the section that you're using your hinges to open the door. So as you see everything, these doors are black. The inside doors of the closets are white. I believe they chose like 8 doors in the house to paint black. So this is 2 of the doors. And as you see here, the main door is also black. The guys are working right now, the painters right now working on these 2 doors. Probably completed 1 coat, and then it's going to complete the second coat tomorrow morning. It works really nice with the railing is black, the handrail and the post black, and the door is black. So it's work really nice together. Also, the treads of the stairs are black. And you see yesterday the carpet, we installed the carpet, the runner, top of that. So it looks sharp, really, really clean. Most of the house is kind of like white, gray, and black. Carpet gray, walls are white, spindles, railing and doors are black. So it looks nice and very modern look.